Good day. My name is Vian van Zyl, Regional Manager for the Free State and Northern Cape at Warwick Wealth. Today I'd like to briefly discuss with you why it's important to review your investment portfolio on an annual basis. Many investors set up an investment strategy and then leave it unchanged for years. However, their personal circumstances, personal goals, financial objectives, and market conditions can change significantly over time. That's why we recommend to review your investment portfolio at least once a year. There are 5 key reasons for doing so. Firstly, maintaining adequate emergency cash flow. An annual review helps determine whether you still have sufficient savings available for emergency expenses. Changes in your income, your expenses, your personal circumstances could all mean that you need to adjust your emergency savings over time. Having adequate liquidity available can prevent you from selling long-term investments for short-term goals or expenses. Secondly, adapting to life changes. Major life events like marriage, having children, buying a property, changing your careers, or receiving an inheritance could all change your financial priorities. A portfolio review ensures you that you still remain aligned with your financial goals and objectives. Thirdly, tax planning and tax efficiency. Taxes can have a significant impact on your overall investment returns. Reviewing your portfolio annually allows you the opportunity to assess your tax implications, use available tax benefits, and structure your tax planning as efficiently as possible. Fourthly, staying on track for retirement. Retirement planning is a long-term process and requires regular monitoring. An annual review helps you measure your progress and assess your current savings rate, your income drawdown rate, to make sure that it is sufficient. This will allow you to make the necessary adjustments to make sure that you ultimately stay on track for retirement and achieve your goals. Lastly, preserving proper diversification. Over time, market movements can cause your portfolio's asset allocation to drift away from its intended structure. A review allows you to rebalance your portfolio to maintain an appropriate mix of equities, fixed income, cash, property, and international assets. This helps mitigate your risk over time and would enhance investment returns. Ultimately, the purpose of an annual portfolio review is not to react to short-term market movements, but to ensure that your portfolio is structured in a way that it meets your immediate financial needs and also supports your long-term wealth creation or preservation goals. At Warwick Wealth, we are committed to walking this journey alongside our clients, helping them adapt to changing circumstances and ensuring that their investment strategies are aligned to meet their financial objectives.